Hi everyone! Welcome to another episode of Nathan's 3D Factory. In this episode, I'm going to show you how to do a mirror modifier through the geometry nodes. Now, can you do it through regular modifiers? Yes, you can, absolutely. But I don't want to do that today. I want to show you how you can do it in the geometry nodes. Okay? And then you can customize on top of whatever you want with this. Okay? And so first what I'm going to do, I want to do this on a grease pencil object just to show you how cool this is, okay? So I'm going to add grease empty. There we go. All right, now, first thing I'm going to do, put that into geometry nodes, and then I'm also going to go into draw mode, and I'm just going to draw something simple, okay? So let's just do, and I also want to increase the radius on this, get us a little bit better visual. There we go. Okay, there we go. Now, got our start here. I'll just get out of there, and I'll go back into object mode. Give us an idea. And then later I'll go back into draw mode just to show you what I can do and how easy this is. Okay, first, what I want to do is I want to do a transform geometry. Now, I'm going to take all these items and I'm going to group them after I do a scale on here along the x-axis of -1. Okay? So now you notice that it flipped already. So there we know our thing is working. And then I'm going to group these. Control G. Now, first of all, I want to just get rid of some of these nodes here. I don't need these, okay? So to do that, I'm going to press N. That'll get my properties up. So I'm going to get rid of that one, and that one. So now we have our original with our group, right? So right now we're in the node group. I'm going to get out of there. So I don't need all that stuff, right? But what I do need is that I need to rename this, and I'm going to call this X mirror. I'm going to duplicate this. Then I'm going to make another one, and I'm going to call this Y mirror. Now I can tab into this, and I can change that mirror axis so that X stays at 1, and Y goes to -1. Okay, there we go. And then I'm going to add another node here. And then, let's see. Then I'm going to duplicate this, and I'm going to take this, so I do the 2 there and turn it into 1 single instance, so I isolate that, okay? So if you don't isolate it, what ends up happening is that if you end up like making changes, it changes the other instance, okay? So you don't want to do that. So I want to have this at 1 and this at -1. Okay. Now I'm going to do a join geometry node. Okay. I'm going to do join there and join here. And then I'm going to take the original geometry and join it here. So now we have all of them. But now we want to have a way to control which ones show up here and which ones don't. To do that, we're going to add some switches. So I'm going to go Shift A, switch. So I just want this to be a regular utility switch. And then I'm going to put one of these at each of these output nodes, okay? And then I want these to be in the true node. And then we can switch that on. And then I'm going to put this in where we can have control over this in the modifiers menu here, right? Now I'm going to change the name of this to x-axis. Then I'm going to copy this. I want to put that in the true node once again. That one's going to go in. We're going to make this y-axis. Yeah, for whatever reason, that came in after. I wanted that before. I know, it's kind of me being a little bit picky about my stuff. So, it comes and it goes, you know. Okay, and I'll do the same thing here. And then this last one we'll make as a z-axis switch. So, now, what's cool now is that I can go into here with this, and I can, well, for one, I can make this so that it mirrors here. Okay, and then I can go into my draw mode, and then I can start playing around, right? So then I just start drawing in my stuff, and what's nice is it's real time just like a regular mirror axis would be, okay? So, pretty sweet stuff. Again, you can do it on a regular non-geometry node type thing. But, you know what? This is also to show you that, yes, you can do it. So, and if you need to do that, like where it goes into, say, other parts of your geometry nodes, it's nice to be able to just plug that in so you don't have to do multiple modifiers over here. So, let me know what you think of this tutorial. Let me know if you like it by putting a like, adding a comment on what you think, what you'd like to see in the future. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel already, please make sure to subscribe and also get that notification icon because I do these tutorials every single week. And thank you so much for watching Nathan's 3D Factory. Have a great day, guys.